Hi, today you know about how to upload a channel art and channel logo properly on your YouTube channel. For first, you go to your YouTube channel and select YouTube Studio here. After that, go to Customization tab here. Then go to Branding, the second one. This area, this round area for our logo uploading space, this banner image space for uploading the channel art. So we first upload our channel logo. For uploading, click the upload link, then select your logo. I am using Canva for creating logo and channel art. The link also available below, so you can use if you need. This is my channel logo. Everything is okay, it's good. Okay, then click done. Then go to upload channel art by clicking the upload link and select your channel art. I always keep separate folders for everything like logo, covers, videos, everything. Okay, this area is viewable on TV, this area viewable on desktops, this area viewable on smartphones. It's now everything is okay. Then I click the done. Okay, fine, everything is okay. Your channel art and channel logo are uploaded successfully. Then go to publish. If you forget to click the publish, the logo and channel art it's not appear in your channel. Yeah, here the channel changes published. Go to channel. Now we check that by clicking the view channel. Okay, yes, now it's all set. The channel logo and channel art is perfectly uploaded. Okay guys, this video is helpful, then don't forget to like the video.